Hi everybody, Robert Carter here from Southern California. And I had a few requests. They wanted to see the inside of my grandfather's childhood home. And as you know, he was, like I told you in the musicals 40 Boys in a Song, he sang with the Robert Mitchell Choir. And this is the place where he would have left. And as you can see, there's the old fireplace that Bing Crosby and my grandfather stood right by and sang White Christmas and Jingle Bells. And you can see these old curtains. Look at these old curtains here. These old curtains go back to like 1943, 1942, 43, and the old desk here. And we have a chair here because what it is, we're starting to clean this place out a little bit because we have some people that are wanting to rent this place, and it's very historic here. But yeah, this living room here is where they would have sat right there on that couch listening to the radio on December 7, 1941, when the Japanese bombed Pearl Harbor. And this is where they were. All the family was right here. And I believe that's where the old radio would have been. But yeah, that's the old fireplace there. Very historic. But yeah, these curtains are amazing. I mean, these are like 80-something years old. So let me go over here and show you something else. I'll be right back in a second. And here is the table that's been in our family for many generations since 1880s. And you can see the old kerosene lamp is still here. My great grandmother, I believe she told me she drew that back in 1948. And you can see the old Carter ashtray, which I'm not a smoker. My family members were, but I wasn't. But you can see the old fashioned thing here. And my relatives ate off this table. A lot of them were born in 1870s, 1880s. And I'll just go up here. See the chandelier that's been in the family since the 1920s. This came from Missouri many moons ago. But yeah, really old-fashioned place. So let me take you outside and show you where my grandfather was singing, where he got discovered. Be back in a second. Now this is the backyard where my grandfather was singing back in the day. And the town scout walked right on this sidewalk. And that's where he said, "Come over, I want to talk to you. You sound pretty good, son." And right here. And he took him in and walked him right through there. Now, this wall here in this door wasn't here back then. They put this in back in the 60s, I believe. But this tree wasn't here before. But as you can see, it's a really old house. Built in 1941. And you can see right here from a school. School was here. There were many houses here before, but they tore them down and put the schools here. Here's the front yard. And this is also where the Three Stooges used to come over and visit. They used to walk right through that gate. And of course, I'm sorry, the gate wasn't here then either, but a little walkway. And they would walk right through that door. Bing Crosby, Jimmy Stewart, all the great actors, Mickey Rooney. Very historical. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Battery's dying here, so I will see you again on the next video. Robert Carter signing off in Southgate, California. Take care. Bye for now.